Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. And this week we're going to be reviewing the Kemimoto Sissy Bar bag. So hang out and see what I think about this. They sent it to us and we're going to give an honest review. Kemimoto sent me their Sissy Bar bag to check out and do a review on. And I'm kind of excited because this bag is pretty versatile, go on a lot of different styles of bikes. And the price point is pretty darn reasonable. So let's see what it's like here. So I got this, and boom, it's got your Sissy Bar bag and just your wrapping in your plastic. And what's nice, the first thing I noticed is it's got instructions on different ways you can mount it. Nothing worse than getting a bag of various types and you got all the straps and you're like, okay, where does this one go? Good job. So let's open this bad boy up, see what the capacity is, and see what options it's got on it, because the first thing I always asked was, is it waterproof? Because you're going to find yourself riding in the rain. So let's check it out. So let's just take a look, get this thing unwrapped. Like I said, they've got some nice instructions for different options going on your Sissy Bar, and if you happen to have a sport bike, on how it can lay here, which this option also will work if you've got a tour pack. So that's pretty cool to have. I know most men don't read instructions, but at least you could look at it real quick and then throw it away so nobody knows that you've checked it out. Here's the size of the bag. It's pretty good size. I will tell you, one of the features I do like, first of all, is you've got the outside cords, which I will tell you is fantastic for putting, if you've got a bedroll, if you're going to go camping, or also if you've got your jacket, you start riding in the morning and it gets warm and you want to take your jacket off. This is what I use these for, is I will roll up my jacket, put it in here, so I've got it for later. So it's a good size. Also, first things first, we've got our rain cover. All right, and it's got Velcro to keep that bad boy secure. Nice, not too heavyweight. So opening this up, we've got a ton of straps for you to be able to secure it, so that as soon as you open it up, these are right there. So we're gonna take that off for a minute while we figure out where all that goes. But I'm gonna tell you, it's pretty good darn size. Okay. This is pretty big. So I showed you the bungees up front. These are great for blankets, for your jacket when you're want to switch out, maybe even a light shirt. These are fantastic. There is a zipper here. This in this front pack. It's pretty good little size pocket here. I would suggest keeping the straps and the things that you need to get to real quick. If you wanted to put your wallet in here, you know, there's nothing worse than having your wallet in your back pocket. If you don't want to put it in your saddlebags, it's right here. So when you do make a fuel stop, you can get to it real quick. And it does zip, so that gives you that security that's on there. On the very bottom, there is a zipper. Let me get to it here. A zipper pocket down here on the bottom. This is where your rain guard is at. You can keep that in there. You could probably stick something else in there. I wouldn't do that because you don't want to rip your rain guard that's on there. You've got all your straps, but primarily you've got your handle, so you can pick it up and take it real easy. There is also, and I've got all the straps hooked on it right now because I was checking it all out, you have a strap that you can carry this with. So even if you wanted to use this as a regular commuter bag, you'd be good, because if you're carrying electronics for work in it, it is waterproof. Put the cover over it, you'd be good. And you could still carry this into the office. So if you had your gym clothes and things that you wanted to change at work and use, this would be great for that. Okay, don't laugh, but I just went in to see how much I could stuff into this as far as clothing and stuff, and I've still got a lot of room. So I took 4 pairs of jeans, 7 t-shirts, pair of sandals, flip-flops, because you always need those. A grooming kit is in here, and there's still more room. So I just wanted to see if you were taking from a short trip to a long trip, how much stuff you could put in here. So this is packed, but there's still a lot more room. So let's take it out on the bike and see how it sets up on there. So on my bike, you'll see I've got a backrest, and I also have a passenger seat rest, and I do have a luggage rack. But to just show you that the Kemimoto can be sitting on your passenger seat if you're riding solo, this will work perfect. You can use straps to go around your seat. You'll see that on the back of the bag, it has these great straps. Those straps have an awesome buckle. There's two of them, and you'll see one of the great features they've got is that your excess strap also has a Velcro to keep it from flapping in the wind. So you'll just take it and put it around your back sissy bar or your passenger seat. If you happen to have a luggage rack, then it fits perfect right on your luggage rack, and you're able to strap it to your back seat. This is another great option for it. Now remember, I had told you about the side zipper bag. Here's all your extra straps. So if you decide that, I don't want to necessarily have this sitting straight up because it's catching a lot of wind, you could also do it flat. Also, let's take a look at how this works on a tour pack. So if you just need a little extra room, these will fit on your tour packs. You've got those extra straps that you can use to strap her down. It will stay. It will be there. It'll give you that extra little bit of room that you need for packing. So let me give you my honest opinion of the Kemimoto Sissy Bar bag. Is it worth it? I think the price point is a great option for those that are looking for a bag that they can use on different types of bikes, not just a touring bike. These would work on a sport bike. It would work on all different types of touring bikes, not just Harleys. And I would suggest, yeah, pick it up. The only thing I wasn't impressed with was the rain cover. It's a little thin, not sure how long that would last or how well it would keep the water out. Because you've seen some of my videos where we've been caught in some torrential downpours. I think the bag itself would offer a lot of protection. With that rain guard, I think it would be just fine, but I'm just not sure how long it would last. It's a little thin. That was my only complaint about this whole bag. The versatility of it is awesome. You've got your place for your outside items that you want to put in here, maybe a jacket, maybe a blanket. It's fantastic for that. You can use it on a sissy bar, you can use it on a tour pack. It'll lay flat, it'll stand up. You've got your straps. You could use this as your everyday commuting bag if you wanted to, going back and forth to work. Pick it up. I think you would not be disappointed. And they were great enough to give us a discount code for you Road Rush Nation followers. So take a look in the description, you'll find a link. Go check out the bag, pick one up. You'll be so grateful you did, and you'll have that versatility. And even if you use it every once in a while when you have maybe a partner going along with you and says, hey, I need an extra bag, this is the one to use. It's got the waterproofing and it's flexible and it rolls down to be really small if you need it to be. So don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.